Does your lawn have brown patches? Is it ruining what would otherwise be a beautiful green stretch of grass? We are here to help.
Before you hire a landscaper, you may ask, what do landscapers do? Landscapers do pretty much anything that involves a yard: raking, mowing, trimming, planting, digging, mulching, etc. It's a landscaper's job to make every yard they touch as pretty as the cover of Homes and Garden magazines. There are so many considerations when landscaping, such as how to design a garden or how to landscape a front yard, even how to landscape around trees, and as skilled and experienced professional landscaper will be able to tackle all of this as that their specialty. Prior to you hiring the services of a landscaping company, you may develop a plan of your own as to what you want, such as landscape lighting, tree trimming or tree pruning, water irrigation systems, and easy lawn maintenance, which will really give you the chance to enjoy your backyard without having to constantly do all the work. If you are asking how much to pay a landscaping company, it depends on many factors such as the area, the state of your garden, and what exactly will they doing. An in-depth landscape layout and implementation may amount to in between $2,000 and also $8,000 depending on the area of the task. Here are some excellent reasons to employ a professional landscaper today. Landscaping companies will certainly assess all the problem locations as well as design a strategy to make your yard your next best investment besides your home. Obtaining the needed products for your job can be a demanding task, considering that there are so many choices, and this may be very overwhelming for you. Knowing how to match the designs and different elements to make a cohesive, harmonious plan takes a lot of time. There are so many designs, shades, and specific applications on offer. They can make recommendations for the very best choices that will work for you and suggest where to purchase them or get them to you, and maybe pass on the saving they get as contractors. This will absolutely save so much time and frustration, as a great deal of time goes into asking around for product samples and prices.
Contact us 506-6455.